Your car has a hidden feature that you may not know about. Want to know what it is? Stick around. I don't know about you, but I've been driving for a long time and I actually didn't know about this feature in cars. Now, this feature obviously isn't in every car, but it's in a lot of cars, especially newer cars. How many times have you been driving down the road, the sunlight is just unbearable, you can't see, so you flip down your sun visor, you put on your shades, flip down your sun visor, and it just so happens that that sun is right in between your sun visor and the passenger side sun visor. So you try every little trick in the book. You slouch down in your seat, you move the sun visor, you try to use the passenger sun visor, you use your hand, you try everything in the book, and it just so happens that that sun finds its way through to blind you while you're driving. This has happened to me quite a bit, but there's actually a solution to that problem in your car that you probably did not know about. If you look at your sun visor, and if you look at the hinge where the sun visor actually comes down, there is actually a small arrow on that hinge. And why is that arrow there, you may ask? If you grab your sun visor and pull, this is what happens. Now you have to give it a little bit of force, but now all your sun problems have disappeared. You can extend the passenger side, the driver side, and get that shade that you need to get where you're going. Don't believe me? Go out to your vehicle, check your sun visor, and if yours extends out and you didn't know, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell. On this channel I do projects, tool reviews, tips like this, tricks, and more. So I hope you stick around. Till next time, stay real.